quick summer hairstyle you could do with your daughter. Look at her just loving the camera. So we're going to start off obviously with some freshly washed hair with a whole bunch of leave-in conditioner because detangling without conditioner is a pain. And then we're going to go ahead and do some zigzags because I'm trying not to part straight in the middle. I'm trying to do something different. And I'm whipping out my Shine and Jam. I love this thing. Like, my braids come out amazing when I use it. And my ponytails. Like, I found it this summer and I haven't stopped using it. Definitely makes my quick hairstyles for my girls look very neat. And like, I took my time on it because this summer the theme was all about quick, fast, and easy because nobody wants to sit in a chair all day, especially my kids. So now I'm going ahead and using my jam to put it in a ponytail, and then I'm going to twist probably, I think 2 within each ponytail. Now I want to apologize for my background setup. I definitely had to do this where my kid is comfortable, and she is comfortable in front of a TV, not in a bathroom and not in front of no pretty design background. So we are in my room that is a little messy and letting her watch Princess and the Frog. But the whole point is I want to show you guys different hairstyles that is so fast that your kid is not even bothered that they're sitting in this chair. So as you guys can see, I am splitting her right side of her head into 4 sections after the zigzag. So on the right side, it's going to be split into 4 sections and have twists within the ponytails. The first had 2 twists. This one has 3 twists, and the last 2 are going to have 4 twists. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Of course, I'm using some more jam to lay her hair down. Of course, she has very curly hair like her mother. So we need as much jam as we can to keep it laid for at least 2 weeks. And I did this on 4th of July, and if this is still in her hair, actually. Now, all the white moisture that you see in her twists are not from the jam. It's actually from the leave-in conditioner plus some oil. So don't worry, I do not put so much that her hair is covered in jam because obviously product buildup. But I do put enough, and then I make sure I do my regular LOC method. You do your regular LOC method before you put any type of jam, gel, whatever you decide to use on your daughter's hair. You always want to make sure you use the LOC method first and then apply your gel or jam or, mousse if you decide to use mousse. So yeah, that's what all the white stuff is on her twist. It's the LOC method plus the jam, but it definitely holds everything together and it also keeps her hair very healthy. Now let's apply some hair jewelry, as my daughter calls it, and we are using beads, blue, white, and red, white, and blue, whichever way you want to say it. Like I said, I did do this on 4th of July, so she wanted 4th of July beads, so of course I'm going to give her what she wants. The goal is always to let them love their hair, whether if I think it matches or not, or go with the season or not. I let them choose whatever beads they want in their hair, because my daughters, they be choosing some outrageous colors, but it's not worth the fight. You got to choose your battles, okay? And this time she wanted red, white, and blue because 4th of July was tomorrow in this video. And I tried to let her know, like, 4th of July is just a day. It's not a whole month or so, but she still wanted it, so yeah. Now, my method to putting on beads, I'm not sure if any other mother does this. Let me know in the comments if you mothers do this as well. I make sure I just put all the beads on the twist or the braids first before I go ahead and start wrapping the rubber band on. I feel like it just makes things go faster, makes things move easier and smoother. And that's just like my logic. So as you can see right now, I'm just making sure I put the beads on every single twist before I go ahead and put some rubber bands on the ends of it. Now it is tricky because I'm not sure if you could tell in the video, but she definitely moves a lot. Like, this girl have ants in her pants. She can't stay still that long. So when I do this, I do worry about the beads falling out of her hair while I'm doing it. And it has done that before. But for some reason, still to me, this method moves faster than any other method. Now let's go ahead and put these rubber bands on. In my mind, I'll be moving fast. But when I'm looking at this video, yeah, I do be moving fast. Like, I be wrapping those rubber bands like a pro. I be trying to hurry up before one of them falls out. And if one of them falls out, I have my little son walking around in the background trying to pick them up and put them in his mouth. So I be trying to hurry up. But this is the final look. She loved it. I loved it. And I hope you love it. See you guys next time. Bye.